In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram with Make.com or link Instagram with Make.com. To connect Instagram with Make.com, you need to set up an integration that links your Instagram account to automation scenarios inside Make. The process depends on whether you're connecting Instagram business, creator accounts, or a personal Instagram account. Make only supports official API based connections. So, most automations require you to have a business or creator account connected to a Facebook page. First, log into your Make.com account in your favorite web browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Now, go to the Scenarios section. Create a new scenario and search for Instagram in the list of apps. You will likely see Instagram for Business as the available module. Select it and choose the trigger or action you want. For example, watch media or create a photo post. When prompted, click Add Connection. Make will open a Facebook login window. Enter your Facebook credentials and make sure you allow Make to access the Instagram business account that is linked to your Facebook page. If your Instagram is not yet converted to a business or creator account, go to Instagram settings, switch your account type, and then link it to a Facebook page. After successful login and permission granting, your Instagram account will appear in Make as a connected account. Once the connection is set, you can configure your scenario by adding other apps like Google Drive, Notion, or Gmail to automate tasks such as saving new Instagram posts to a folder, posting scheduled images, or tracking engagement. Finally, run the scenario once to test it, and if it works correctly, turn on scheduling so it runs automatically. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.